Did you know that olive oil is more than just a kitchen staple? It's a superfood with the power to transform your health in ways you might never have imagined. From protecting your brain to strengthening your bones, this golden elixir has been a cornerstone of wellness for centuries. But what if we told you that olive oil could also be your secret weapon for longevity? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the science-backed benefits of olive oil and show you how to make it a part of your daily routine for a healthier, happier, and longer life. Let's start with your brain, the command center of your body. Olive oil is packed with a powerful compound called oleocanthal, which has been shown to reduce inflammation in the brain and even clear out beta-amyloid plaques, the toxic debris linked to Alzheimer's disease. In other words, olive oil doesn't just feed your body, it protects your mind. A study published in ACS Chemical Neuroscience found that oleocanthal helps clear these dangerous plaques, potentially slowing down or even preventing the progression of Alzheimer's. Imagine olive oil as the ultimate night guard for your brain. While you're sleeping, it's on duty, patrolling the hallways of your mind, keeping inflammation at bay, and sweeping away those dangerous plaques. It's like having a silent protector working overtime to keep your brain sharp and healthy. Take 1 tablespoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil about 1 to 2 hours before bed. Not only will it support your brain health, but it'll also help you wake up feeling refreshed and mentally sharp. Think of it as a nightly ritual for a stronger, healthier brain. Let's talk about your heart, the engine that keeps you going. Olive oil is packed with monounsaturated fats, the kind of healthy fats that work wonders for your cardiovascular system. These fats, particularly oleic acid, help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, reduce inflammation, and even lower blood pressure. A study published in Nutrients 2020 found that regularly consuming olive oil can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease. It's like giving your heart a daily tune-up, keeping it running smoothly and efficiently. Imagine olive oil as a warm, soothing hug for your cardiovascular system, a way to show your heart some love while you sleep. Olive oil isn't just food, it's a daily act of self-care for one of your most vital organs. Mix 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil with 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Stir it together and enjoy it as a heart-healthy bedtime treat. The combination of healthy fats and natural sweetness not only tastes amazing but also helps your body absorb the nutrients more effectively. Plus, it's a calming way to end your day while giving your heart the support it needs. Number 3, cancer prevention. Here's something that might blow your mind. Olive oil isn't just a heart-healthy fat, it's also a potential cancer fighter. The secret lies in its polyphenols, particularly a superstar compound called hydroxytyrosol. These polyphenols have been shown to trigger apoptosis, a process where cancer cells self-destruct. Think of it as your body's natural cleanup crew, targeting and eliminating harmful cells before they can wreak havoc. It's like olive oil is quietly arming your body with the tools it needs to fight back. Imagine olive oil as your body's nighttime security system. While you're resting, it's working behind the scenes, patrolling your cells and taking out the bad guys. A nightly dose of olive oil could be your secret weapon, a simple, delicious way to add an extra layer of protection to your health. To maximize the benefits, take 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and pair it with a light snack about an hour before bed. Try drizzling it over whole grain crackers, a slice of avocado toast, or even a small handful of nuts. Number 4, blood sugar control. If you've ever felt the roller coaster of blood sugar spikes and crashes, olive oil might just be your new best friend. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which means your body can better regulate blood sugar levels. A study published in Diabetes Care 2015 highlighted how these fats play a key role in helping your body use insulin more effectively. This is especially important for anyone managing diabetes or simply looking to maintain steady energy throughout the day. Imagine olive oil as a steady hand, gently guiding your blood sugar levels back to balance. It's not just a cooking ingredient, it's a powerful ally in your health journey. Before bed, steam a small bowl of your favorite vegetables like broccoli, zucchini, or spinach and drizzle 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil over them. The healthy fats in the olive oil slow down digestion, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels overnight. Did you know olive oil isn't just good for your heart and brain, it's also a secret weapon for your bones. The polyphenols in olive oil have been shown to stimulate bone growth and enhance calcium absorption, which is crucial for maintaining strong, healthy bones as you age. A study published in the International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health 2016, found that these natural compounds play a significant role in bone health. Additionally, a 2012 article in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism revealed that regular olive oil consumption is linked to higher levels of osteocalcin, a marker of healthy bone formation. Imagine this. A simple addition to your evening routine could be supporting your bones, keeping them strong and resilient. It's like giving your bones a daily dose of TLC. Warm up a cup of milk, dairy, or plant-based, and stir in 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. This creates a calming, bone-strengthening drink that's perfect before bed. The combination of calcium from the milk and the bone-supporting polyphenols in olive oil makes this a powerhouse duo for your skeletal health. Plus, it's a soothing way to wind down after a long day. Number 6 improves gut health. Your gut is often called your second brain, and for good reason. It plays a huge role in your overall health. Olive oil is a powerhouse when it comes to gut health. It nourishes beneficial gut bacteria and helps reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. The polyphenols in olive oil act like fuel for the good bacteria in your microbiome, promoting a balanced and healthy gut environment. A happy gut means better digestion, a stronger immune system, and even improved mood. Think of olive oil as a nightly tune-up for your gut. Just like a car runs smoother after a quick checkup, your digestive system thrives when you give it the right care. Olive oil is like the premium fuel that keeps your gut engine running at its best. Combine 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil with a probiotic-rich food like yogurt or kefir. The healthy fats in olive oil work in synergy with the probiotics to create a gut-friendly powerhouse. Mix it together and enjoy it as a light, soothing snack before bed. It's a delicious way to support your gut while you sleep. Now, let's talk about longevity. Olive oil is a key component of the Mediterranean diet, which is consistently linked to longer, healthier lives. Its unique combination of healthy fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds helps protect your cells from damage, slow down aging, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology found that higher olive oil consumption was associated with a 19% lower risk of premature death. Imagine olive oil as a fountain of youth in a bottle. By incorporating it into your daily routine, you're not just adding flavor to your meals, you're investing in a longer, healthier life. Make olive oil a daily habit by drizzling it over salads, soups, or roasted vegetables. You can also take 1 to 2 tablespoons daily as a supplement. Pair it with a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to maximize its longevity benefits. Whether you're looking to protect your brain, strengthen your bones, or boost your longevity, this golden elixir has got you covered. Start incorporating olive oil into your daily routine today and experience the incredible benefits for yourself. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Here's to a healthier, happier, and longer life, 1 tablespoon of olive oil at a time.